Friends, in this tutorial we are going to find the minimum and maximum number in an array. So first we create the array, and we are creating the variable which contain the first element of the array. We are assuming that it is the required number, and we will make a comparison with this number, and we will replace its value if any element found bigger than this number. We are assuming that this is the maximum number. If any element in the iterating array found bigger, then we will replace this number in this required number. If any element found bigger if any iterating element of the array found bigger than our required number, then we will replace this number. Then we will put this number greater number in the required number, and finally we will console the required number. And here is our maximum number. If we create another if we put more elements, some another random elements, then we can see that it is exactly finding the maximum number. This is very simple problem in problem solving. With this approach we can also find the minimum number. Just copy the above code, paste it below, and just change the sign. If any element found less than our required number, because we are assuming that this required number is the smallest number, and if any element found smaller than this required number, then we are going to replace this number, and finally we are printing this number. As we can see that -2 is the smallest number in our array. If we put any other element in our array, smallest number in our array, then we can see that this program exactly find this smallest number, -10. We can see. So let's summarize this concept. We have simply created the array. We have assumed the first number is the greater or smaller number, like the procedure we are going to find. Let's say we are going to find the maximum number, and we have assumed that the first number is the maximum number. We have iterated over the array, and we have compared with every element of the array with this assumed number, and if any element found bigger, then we are going to replace this number, and in the end we have the maximum number. This is the very simple logic. Thank you.